Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply delete unwanted emails from Gmail. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead access your Gmail first. So let's do that. Once you have access to your Gmail account, this kind of interface gonna pop up, right? You can see all of the emails. But for you to delete the unwanted ones and filter them, you can go ahead, tap on this three horizontal on top up right left corner, and simply scroll down and you can tap on this option called all mails given, which will simply open up all mails, including, you can see, from to attachments, date is unread, exclude calendar updates. So let's say you do have so many emails for you to delete from, but you have now category to choose and find the designated ones. You can tab, let's say this is the one, and you can find all kind of excluded calendar updates, which if you don't need, you can simply go ahead, select that particular email, continue and tap on this select all, which will select all of those kind of emails, and you can simply tap on this delete option and they will be deleted. You can see, right? Other would be simply tapping on is unread. You can see all unread emails as well. Again, go ahead, select one and tap on select all of them will be selected. You can delete them. Same goes for these other emails as well. Make sure just tap on it and you can tap on select all, which will select all of your emails, and you can delete them like that. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.